You can now build your whole entire YouTube channel using just one AI tool. This AI tool is called Seedance 2.0 and it's super amazing. All you have to do is just to put in your prompt and it's going to take your simple prompt and convert into a breathtaking, amazing video. I'm not going to speak much about it. See what this tool can do. As you can see, that's super amazing, and there are a lot and lot of other stuff that this can do. Let me show you what I created with this very tool. So I'm not going to speak much. I'm not going to make this intro too long because I can't wait to dive in and show you guys how to do this. I'm going to walk you guys through the steps by which I can do this. I'm going to leave a link to this tool in the description below. But if you want to send it to me directly, just comment the video and I'll send it to you directly. So without wasting more time, let us get down to business. But before we go, if you're new here, my name is Gerald. I make this to follow this area. So I advise you to subscribe to my channel, put a post notification, and also like this. Alright, so let's get down to this.
Seedance 2.0 can be used for a lot of things like advertising and branding, film and creative storytelling, gaming, animation, e-commerce and products, demos, content creation, and social media. When you come to the interface of Seedance 0.2.com, I'm going to leave a link to from below. This is what a page you're going to stumble on. Alright, so here you can just see the videos that's playing in the background. You can scroll down a little and see more about the site. It's very user friendly, very straightforward. And here, as you hover over this, you can also see some of the stuff that have been done using Seedance. This is super amazing. Here you can also see some of the videos that have been done using Seedance. Every video here that you can see is being done using Seedance. So you can see how realistic and amazing it is. You can see how amazing these videos are. It's mind-blowing. It's really mind-blowing. All right, so let's say you want to create your when you want to create your video, first of all you need to have an idea of the video that you want to create. I'm sure you guys already know, you already have an idea of the video you want to create. So you're going to come to this section here and click on try Seedance. So you're gonna come to this page and can see that you can create long form video, character identity, director control, and you have like editable timeline. All right, so here you have option for reference first and last frame. So this reference is this one we're going to be using. All right, so all I have to do is just to upload one video here that will be like a reference to the prompts that you're going to attach here. All right, so for the sake of this video, I already have some prompts with me already. So this is the prompt that I'll be making use of. So this is a prompt I'm making use of. I want to leave it in the description below. But first of all, we need to upload the video, the reference picture that's one. So I'm also going to leave the image prompt that we use to create the prompt. Here's the image prompt. I'm going to leave it in the description below. That we use to create this. All right. So first of all, you need to have an idea of what you want to create. All right. You're going to get like an image. I'm going to use that image as a reference to how Seedance is going to create what you want. All right. So for the sake of this video, it will say, so you're going to come here and you're going to click on upload. You're going to hit upload. Let's say I'm going to make use of this very image here as a reference image. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to wait for it to load. So while waiting for it to load, I'm going to post my prompt here. Remember, I told you that the prompt is going to be in the description below. All right, these prompts are very easy to create. All you have to do is tell ChatGPT what you want, the idea that you have in your head, and you're going to tell it to create it. All right, so when we come down here, you can change the aspect ratio here to how you want it to be. For the sake of this video, we're making a YouTube video, so the best aspect ratio for it is 16:9. You can also play around. If you're uploading on TikTok, I also use this. If you're uploading on TikTok, Instagram, and X, playing known as Twitter, you can definitely make use of this. So you can come to the resolution here, and of course you can change the resolution all right, to 720p, which is like the highest here. And you can also change the time that you want this video to be. Let's say 20 to 50 seconds. All right, so we're going to leave it here at this Seedance 0.25. All right, so when you're done all of this, all you have to do is just to come here and click on generate video. This, as you can see, it's going to cost you just 15 credits to generate this video, which in my opinion, it makes a lot of sense. All right, it makes like a whole lot of sense, because I mean, what this is offering, it's really amazing. So when you click on that, it's going to take you a few minutes, and then when your video is ready, you're going to come to my creation right here, this very folder that says my creation, and you're going to find your video right here. All right, this is the video that I created. This is the one I created that I played earlier for you guys to see. Okay, so as you can see, it is very easy and very straightforward to use this Seedance, and it's just really amazing. You can also come here and look at your prompt guide, right? So if you want to have like a guide on kind of prompt that you should make, all right? So this is a video that I showed you guys earlier. So if you want to have an idea of the prompt that you should make, then this is another part that you're going to come to. All right, you're going to play around this place, you're going to find a prompt that suits you or the idea that you want to work on, and also get that rolling. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. This tool is super amazing. I want you to sign up and then test this tool and also tell me what you think about this tool. All right, so thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next video.